because it's just not possible to foresee ahead of time what the potential things are. And you inevitably end up, I think we even did a video on this, where you end up in one of two things, where either one, you've just got this open-ended commitment, or two, you're in change notice hell, where you're just constantly having to figure out, okay, what are all the changes to some design and things like that. And it's just a mess. And so we don't do that. Now, clients oftentimes balk at that, right? They want the certainty of a fixed price bid. And I 100% understand that. Prior to this, I mentioned the experience that I had, and in that particular case, that contractor did give us a fixed price bid on it. And that was part of the problems that came out of it. And so what I explain to clients and what we try to focus on is that we will give an estimate so that it's not like 100% open-ended. Like, it's not like we just say, it'll take whatever it takes. And we will give an estimate, and then we try to schedule regular milestones. Now, those milestones may or may not be like a fixed deliverable, like a circuit board or a release of functionality. Sometimes it's that. Sometimes it's just a stake in the ground that says, okay, a month from now, let's everybody have a meeting and say, okay, where are we at relative to where we thought we should be and where we want to go? And does everything still make sense? And the idea being that nobody wants a surprise, right? And nobody wants to get to the end of the 500-hour estimate and suddenly be like, well, what do you mean? There's another 300 hours of work or something like that. The goal is for, if something is going to be exceeded, is for that to be recognized, understood, promulgated, and everybody be on the same page as early in the process as possible.